Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming electrical compatibility. This prevents damage and safety risks. Once power is off, screw the sight bulb into the fixture until snug, then restore power. Next, open the camera app and create or sign into your account. This links device identity. Make sure your phone is on the same 4 GHz network. Most bulbs do not support 5 GHz. If prompted, allow location and local network permissions so the app can discover. Now you put the bulb into pairing mode. Usually that means toggling power rapidly or pressing a reset for 5-8 seconds until the LED blinks. Then, in the app, choose Add Device, select Bulb, and enter your 4 GHz Wi-Fi SSID and password exactly, case matters. The app will push credentials to the bulb and wait for the LED to switch to a steady state. Once connected, the app assigns a name and may update firmware, which improves stability. Finish by naming the bulb and placing it into a room or scene so automations work. Test live view and motion events and adjust brightness or IR settings if present. If connection fails, make sure your router broadcasts 4 GHz, move the bulb closer to the router, and retry a factory reset before pairing again. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Intermittent blinking usually indicates weak signal. Address range or interference first, then re-attempt setup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.